Hey kids, ever wondered how plants chow down? It's Bill Nye here, ready to dig into the awesome world of plants. Plants are everywhere, reaching for the sky, showing off their colorful flowers and giving us yummy food. But have you ever thought about how plants eat? It's a super cool question. Unlike us, plants can't just walk to the fridge when they're hungry. They can't order a pizza or grab a burger. Instead, plants have some really cool tricks to get the food they need to grow big and strong. We're talking about the power of sunshine, the magic of soil, and even some sneaky stuff. Get ready to learn the secrets of plant food, from photosynthesis to the wild world of carnivorous plants. It's a fun ride through the plant kingdom, and you won't want to miss a single bite. Let's jump in. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. But instead of loading up on proteins, carbs, and fats, plants crave a different kind of menu. Think of it as a plant pantry stocked with essential nutrients. At the top of the list, water. Just like we depend on H2O to stay hydrated, plants need water to transport nutrients, keep their leaves plump, and power up their cellular processes. But that's not all. Plants also need a hearty helping of minerals absorbed from the soil. We are talking nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for strong roots and blooming flowers, and potassium for overall plant health. And let's not forget about those essential micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron, all playing a vital role in keeping plants healthy and happy. Now here's where things get really interesting. Plants have not one but two main ways of getting their nutritional needs met. They can make their own food through the incredible process of photosynthesis, or they can get their nutrients from other sources. That's right, some plants are sneaky eaters. Get ready to be amazed, because plants are the ultimate solar-powered superstars. They have this incredible ability to capture sunlight and transform it into energy, a process we call photosynthesis. It all happens inside those amazing green factories within plant cells called chloroplasts, packed with a pigment called chlorophyll. Think of chlorophyll as a solar panel soaking up sunlight like a sponge. But instead of generating electricity, chlorophyll uses light energy to power a chemical reaction. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores called stomata, and water absorbed by their roots. With a dash of sunlight, these ingredients combine in a remarkable chemical dance. The result? Plants create their own sugary fuel, glucose. This sweet reward provides the energy they need to grow, flower, and even produce those delicious fruits and vegetables we love to eat. Talk about a plant-powered feast. Now, let's zoom in on the action happening inside those busy chloroplasts. Imagine a bustling factory with assembly lines working overtime. Light energy from the sun is absorbed by chlorophyll, energizing electrons like a jolt of caffeine. These energized electrons are the key to the whole process. They power a chain reaction, splitting water molecules and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Yes, you heard that right. Plants are the reason we can breathe, releasing the oxygen we need to survive. Meanwhile, the carbon dioxide molecules get a makeover, combining with hydrogen to form those precious sugar molecules, glucose. This glucose is like a plant's energy snack pack, providing the fuel they need to thrive. It's stored in their roots, stems, leaves, and fruits, ready to be used when needed. Photosynthesis is a truly remarkable process, a symphony of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, all orchestrated by those tiny but mighty chloroplasts. Section 5 of Beyond the Green, when plants can't make their own food. We've explored the incredible world of photosynthesis, where plants harness the power of the sun to create their own food. But here's a twist. Not all plants rely solely on sunshine and chlorophyll for their nutritional needs. Some plants have evolved different strategies, becoming masters of resourcefulness in the plant kingdom. These resourceful plants are called heterotrophs. Unlike their autotrophic relatives who make their own food, heterotrophs get their nutrients from other sources. Think of them as the adventurers of the plant world, exploring alternative culinary options. We'll dive into the fascinating world of heterotrophic plants, uncovering their unique strategies for survival. Get ready to meet parasitic plants, saprophytic decomposers, and even some plant partners in crime in the symbiotic world. Section 6. Freeloaders of the plant world, parasitic plants. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to meet the freeloaders of the plant world. Parasitic plants. These cunning characters have ditched the whole photosynthesis routine and instead rely on other plants called hosts for their nutritional needs. Talk about a life of luxury. One such freeloader is the dodder plant, a tangled web of yellow or orange stems that lack chlorophyll altogether. Dodder plants attach themselves to their unsuspecting hosts using specialized structures called haustoria, which penetrate the host plant's tissues, tapping into their hard-earned nutrients and water. Another example is the Rafflesia flower, infamous for its gigantic stinky blooms. This parasitic plant is a master of disguise, spending most of its life hidden inside the tissues of its host vine, only revealing its massive flower when it's time to reproduce. Talk about a sneaky strategy. Section 7. Nature's Recyclers, saprophytic plants in action. Get ready to meet the ultimate recyclers of the plant kingdom, saprophytic plants. These decomposers play a crucial role in breaking down dead organic matter, returning essential nutrients back to the ecosystem. Think of them as nature's cleanup crew, ensuring nothing goes to waste. One of the most well-known groups of saprophytes is fungi. While not technically plants, fungi are fascinating organisms that obtain their nutrients by secreting digestive enzymes onto dead plants and animals. These enzymes break down complex organic matter into simpler compounds, which the fungi absorb, releasing nutrients back into the environment. From the forest floor to fallen logs, saprophytic plants and fungi are hard at work, recycling nutrients and enriching the soil. They're the unseen heroes of the ecosystem, ensuring a continuous cycle of life and decomposition. Section 8. Teamwork makes the dream work, symbiotic plant friendships. In the plant world, it's not always about competition, sometimes it's all about teamwork. Symbiotic relationships are all about cooperation, where two different species form a mutually beneficial partnership. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved. One incredible example of plant symbiosis is the relationship between legumes like beans and peas and nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These bacteria live in special nodules on legume roots, converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. In return, the legumes provide the bacteria with a cozy home and a steady supply of sugars. It's a perfect partnership. Another fascinating example is lichen, a unique organism formed by the symbiotic relationship between a fungus and an alga. The fungus provides a protective home and absorbs water and nutrients, while the alga, through photosynthesis, provides the food. Lichen can survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, a testament to the power of teamwork. Section 9. Plants that bite back, the carnivorous crew. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the plant kingdom is full of surprises. We're about to enter the world of carnivorous plants, those daring botanical carnivores that have developed a taste for insects and other small creatures. That's right, some plants bite back. One of the most iconic carnivorous plants is the Venus flytrap. Its modified leaves form a trap with sensitive trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect lands on the trap, triggering the hairs, the trap snaps shut in a fraction of a second, trapping the prey inside. Digestive enzymes then break down the insect, providing the plant with a nutritious meal. Another fascinating example is the pitcher plant. These plants have modified leaves that form a pitcher-shaped trap filled with digestive fluid. Insects are lured in by the plant's sweet nectar, but once they slip inside the slippery pitcher, there's no escape. From sticky sundews to bladderworts with their underwater traps, carnivorous plants have evolved fascinating adaptations to supplement their nutrient intake in nutrient-poor environments. They're a reminder that the plant world is full of surprises. Section 10. Keep exploring the plant world. So there you have it, explorers. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of plant nutrition, uncovering the secrets of how plants fuel their growth and development. From the power of photosynthesis to the sneaky strategies of heterotrophic plants, the plant kingdom never ceases to amaze. Remember, plants are essential for life on Earth, providing us with oxygen, food, and countless other resources. By understanding how plants eat and obtain their nutrients, we gain a deeper appreciation for these incredible organisms and their vital role in our ecosystem. So keep those curious minds engaged and never stop exploring the wonders of the natural world. There's always something new to discover, especially in the amazing world of plants. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the world of plants.